Good morning, everybody. I'm JB Bright. This is my wife right here. We are headed to South Haven this morning. We had a pretty gnarly wreck Friday evening. As you can see, my thumb's busted up. It's broke. Hurt my wrist.
We all got banged up a little bit.
Yeah.
We're definitely
We're real privileged and very grateful and thankful.
Blessed.
Yes, we are.
That we made it out of that one.
Yes, we are. We're on our way down there today. We have to get some pictures and videos of the truck. We are unfortunately having to cancel our big raffle at the moment because of this situation, because this truck was our number 2 prize. We were down there showing the truck at an event, and we were on our way back, and guy ran a red light and T-boned us. It is what it is. So we're gonna get down there today, guys, and we're gonna show y'all the truck, and we're gonna walk around the truck and get some of our stuff out of the truck. It's at the tow yard down in South Haven. So y'all come along with us, guys, and let's go get this crap done today. All right, guys, we're fixing to pull up.
Destination is on the right.
Get a good look at the trucks. It's the first time since Friday evening when it all happened. We are at the tow yard. We'll chime back in, guys, as soon as we're back here in the back with the truck. And we'll see y'all here in a few minutes. Hopefully we can get some pictures that we need from the insurance.
What's a whole chunk out of this tire right here? Keep coming back this way. Straight down, feel that tire. Can't get back behind it. So we're gonna go back up front the other way.
Good, because we gotta get pictures too. But as you can see it, guys, this is it. We got T-bone Friday night. Surprised it didn't take out that side view mirror.
Right? It didn't even bust that glass.
Surprised. Very surprised.
Go ahead and get to the insurance.
Yeah, I guess you can.
I looked at the airbags. Y'all saw the curtain of airbags. Y'all saw that tire, the rim laying flat.
This side of the truck is tore up.
This side is.
That back tire right there is messed off too.
Did you see that big whole chunk missing? Pulled our rails right off and down over on that side. I'm very grateful that our legs didn't get crushed by those doors. I see it. That was very scary, guys. We're very blessed to have made it out.
Y'all come a long way just to have a wreck. I know, right?
showing the truck because we actually do a lot of raffles and stuff. And this truck right here was part of one of our raffles.
It was our number
So,
one,
yeah,
our
this is our
two
number
prize.
2 prize in one of our raffles. So now we have to completely rethink everything now. Yeah.
Because a lot of tickets were sold based off of this truck right here.
One of them things, man. We got everything we got needed. Got all the pictures for the insurance company. Got the video for y'all so y'all can see what happened to the number 2 prize, guys. And that's the reason we're unfortunately gonna have to kind of pull back and regroup and figure out how we want to do the raffle now, because a lot of people bought tickets on the basis of wanting that truck right there, hoping for that truck. So all of you that have bought tickets
You should have
have
already
all gotten
received
your money back.
refund,
Yes, you should all have received your refund by now. And we will be rebooting this.
We will.
We might do it a little differently.
We're just
But
right now regrouping and just
trying to heal up a little bit and rethink how we're going to do everything.
we just wanted to get something out to you guys to show you what's going on and let you know what's going on. And
Yeah, we brought it down here to promote the raffle and show the truck off at an event.
this is not how we planned on showing it.
It is not. It is not. Guy ran a red light and T-boned us, and that was it.
We're very grateful to be okay, and we're very grateful to all of you guys who have been following along and taking interest in what we got going on, and we hope y'all stay
And that's the reason
tuned.
you drive Chevy, because you know,
Oh yeah.
she kept our family
Chevy safe, guys.
Yeah,
Chevy safe.
I can't say nothing. Chevy or a big Cummins.
Yeah.
One of the two. But either way, guys, we appreciate y'all tuning in, and we sure apologize. We hate it. The wreck wasn't our fault, but we still feel bad about it. So we hope you all have a wonderful day, and we will be seeing y'all very soon. Thank you.